Good morning, ma'am. Title, Paraffin Test and Gunpowder Residue, Lesson 6. Lesson Objectives. Number 1, define gunpowder. Number 2, discuss the paraffin test for gunpowder. Presented by Barlis Charlan C. Section 3, CREA-18. Presented to Lenita G. Cuenca. First is gunpowder residue. Rather than being one particular compound, gunpowder is actually a mix of three different components. It consists of potassium nitrate 75% by weight, charcoal 10% by weight, and sulfur 5% by weight. Each of these components plays an important role in the combustion of gunpowder. Second is paraffin test. Shooting distance determination are performed in attempt to approximate firearm muzzle to target distance range at the time of a suspect. Firearm being discharged distance determination are possible because burn and unburned gunpowder particles along with the bullet are removed from the muzzle, which the impact clothing or other items, single or multiple projectile firearm residue may leave a pattern on a victim. So, outermost garment or other contact surface such as wheel, clothing, and other surface may be analyzed to ascertain an approximate muzzle to target range. Third is guidelines for estimating the target distance gunshot residue. When a gun was fired, the gunshot residue particles a small procedure during the gunpowder. Explosions are emitted from the back of the weapon. The muzzle these particles fly onto the skin and clothing of the person holding the gun. Gunshot residue contains burned particles, potassium nitrate, and some unburned particles. Potassium nitrate subject the specimen to the modified Grice test. This test detects the presence of nitrate residue, which are by product of smokeless gunpowder combustion. And dito naman tayo sa distance determination analyze. A paraffin test is a method of finding gunshot residue, GSR, in the hand of possible shooting suspect. The tester will dip the suspect hands in sort of matted wax. When the wax has had times to cool, the suspect is left with lovely while wax gloves. The wax is the peeled of the hands and examined for flags of evidence that he has shot again. And again, good morning, ma'am. This is presented by Barlis Charlan C. from 3 CREA-18. Presented to Elenita G. Cuenca. And then my